Majesty, what is it? Why is your face like that? Hmm?
I miss Daddy.
Oh, is that why you are not happy?
I miss Daddy. Let Daddy come back.
I should tell him to come back. Are you missing him? But Daddy is working. He's not done working.
Let him come back now. Today, let him come back.
He should come back today. Hey, well, he's not done working now. You know.
Let him walk back now.
Hey, okay, don't worry. I'll talk to him. Hey, oh, hey, don't cry, baby. No, I'll talk to him. No, I'll talk to him.
Daddy to come back.
I'll talk to him. Oh my God. Only Demli Ezayezu the second. Only Demli Ezayezu the second. Your daughter is missing you. Her Royal Majesty Nwage is missing you. You can see she's not happy. Obin, love of my life. Please. I'm not saying you should not walk. But then try here saying I'm small now. Oh, see now, your baby don't let me see you. Don't let me see you. Even me too, I let me see you.
Mommy, I miss Daddy.
I've heard. Okay, I've heard. Don't bite me. Don't bite me, baby. I'll talk to him. No, as soon as he sees this video, he will know how serious you are. Actually, since she woke up, she's been moody, and I've been trying to cheer her up. I didn't know this was the problem. She said she's missing her father. And we definitely, as I answer the second, of the finest, oil your biko, wherever you are, we are missing you. I follow for the people where they miss you. We follow. Daddy will hear. It's fine. Just then watch your cartoon, okay? Daddy will hear. Oh my word. Oh, she's going upstairs. Baby, Daddy will hear. Oh, baby. Oh my word. You're going to your room? Baby, Daddy will hear. Baby. Hey, she has gone to her room. Mama. Hey. Her Majesty. Oh. Baby, Daddy will hear, okay? Let me just go and talk to him. Let me just go and talk to him. Let me just go and talk to Daddy now. I definitely hope you hear my voice in the background, please. Your daughter is missing you. You can see now she has gone to her room. Hey. She not they cry, better come back, I better walk, gather all the money, yeah? Baby, walk, gather all the money.
For this small girl to be missing her dad, that means Orjiakor truly made the right choice. I'm happy for her.